Hi there, and welcome back to the GetReskilled channel, where we talk all things pharma and med devices. Today we're zeroing in on the biggest pharmaceutical company in the world and their operations in Ireland, so join me as we discover all about Pfizer. For some quick background, the company was first established as a fine chemicals business in New York in 1849 by cousins Charles Pfizer and Charles Erhardt. The company has grown to its current size through both its own pipeline development and acquisition. Pfizer has treatments in many prominent disease areas and therapies in most high-growth markets, including oncology, infections and infestations, cardiology, ophthalmology, neurology and psychiatry. In 2024, Pfizer reported total revenues of $63.6 billion and they employed more than 80,000 people worldwide. But let's now take a closer look at what Pfizer is doing in Ireland. Pfizer was actually one of the first pharmaceutical companies to move into Ireland in 1969. To date, their total capital investment in the country exceeds $9 billion and they now employ approximately 5,000 people in 4 sites in Cork, Dublin and Kildare. This makes them one of the largest pharmaceutical sector investors and employers in Ireland. Their manufacturing operations in the country include active pharmaceutical ingredients, solid dose pharmaceuticals, sterile injectables, vaccines and biopharmaceuticals. And in addition to manufacturing, Pfizer's Irish operations also include shared services, R&D, treasury and commercial operations. In 2025, GetReskilled's analysis of employee reviews across Ireland showed that Pfizer is one of the top scoring companies, rated as 4 out of 5 stars. And as a quick aside to that, we've conducted that research for the last 5 years, and again we've seen Pfizer consistently hold that impressive rating. Okay, so where exactly are Pfizer located throughout Ireland? In Cork, Pfizer has an active pharmaceutical ingredient manufacturing site in Ringaskiddy that employs approximately 700 people. That site was established in 1969 and the company described it as a multi-award winning manufacturing facility that is key to the Pfizer business and plays a critical strategic role in new global products and launches. It has 4 operational plants on the site, comprised of 3 organic synthesis plants and a new product testing laboratory. So, as well as manufacturing bulk pharmaceuticals for export around the world, the site also works alongside Pfizer's global research and development to scale up new products for regulatory approval and for launch. Over in Dublin, Pfizer has 2 sites, Ringsend and Grange Castle. In total, they employ over 3,000 people in the county. The Ringsend site houses global business services, finance, digital, and the commercial officer for Ireland, which includes functions such as sales and marketing and regulatory affairs. Almost 500 people are employed in offices here. Then there's the Grange Castle biologics manufacturing site, which employs roughly 2,500 people. It is one of the company's leading biotechnology manufacturing sites, and with facilities that now cover more than 1 million square feet, it is one of the largest integrated biopharmaceutical plants in the world. Grange Castle is responsible for producing a wide range of biologics and vaccines, including finished vaccine products in pre-filled syringes and the company's COVID-19 vaccine. The site also manufactures products for clinical trials. The quality control laboratories in Grange Castle provide support to other Pfizer manufacturing sites around the world, and there are significant R&D activities happening here as well. In December 2022, Pfizer announced a €1.2 billion capital investment in the Grange Castle site. That investment, which is Pfizer's biggest expansion investment to date in Ireland, will see a new facility built on the site that will double the capacity for biologic drug substance manufacturing. This expansion is expected to create a further 400 to 500 jobs at Grange Castle. Finally, we have Pfizer Newbridge in County Kildare, which employs approximately 1,300 people. Pfizer established the Newbridge site in 1992, and after years of ongoing investment, which includes over €350 million since 2006 alone, the site now covers 1 million square feet, making it one of the largest solid-dose pharmaceutical manufacturing sites in Europe. The site manufactures medicines for patients in areas including women's health, antivirals, central nervous system and immunosuppressants. Over 80 products are currently manufactured here and then exported to more than 100 countries around the world. Pfizer says that this site alone supplies over 10 billion doses to patients every year. So there you have it, Pfizer in Ireland. It's one of Ireland's oldest and most successful pharma stories, and with ongoing investments over the last few years, it looks set to continue. If you're interested in joining a company like Pfizer by starting a new career in Ireland's pharma industry, or upskilling to a more specialised niche within it, head on over to GetReskilled.com and find the course that's right for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the pharma and med device industries.